My name is Jordan, and welcome to Peel TV. Joining me in today's episode, I'm going to be peeling beets on the KA700. I totally missed that. That was awesome. I tried to slap it at and I totally missed. Anyway, I'm going to show you how you can peel beets on your KA700. Not too difficult. Very small amount of prep involved. You're going to watch me do the prep, and then we're going to go peel them, and that's going to be the episode for today. Let's get at it. So I've got my beet here. I'm going to prep this before I run it over to the KA700. So beets are very easy. I've got my beet here. All you need to do is take off this little nub here, like that, and take these guys off on the end. There you go. That beet is ready to peel on the KA700. To run my beet on my KA700, make sure my setting is correct here. We're ready to go. Let's run a beet. Oh, a little bit stiff there we go. So, look at that. Beautiful diamond-shaped beet. Almost no mess, except for my gloves here. Wow, look how easy that was. You cannot beat that. Okay, sorry, I had to. They paid me by the joke. I needed to eat this week. Otherwise, all I had was the beet. Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our website is peelaton.com, or our number here, 866-PEEL-TON. Again, that's peelaton.com or 866-PEEL-TON. Thank you. See you next time.